So, hi everybody.
Hello everyone.
This is Manjunath and I am Praveen. So today, as you all know already, like we are keep on updating, right? We have completed our first product and we are about to release it on August 15th. So it is the pre-launch event. So we are going to explain some high-level stuff. Most of it will be technical things that everyone should know. So that's why we are coming for live today. Yeah. So let's wait for a few more people to join. Let's see who are joined now. No viewers to invited. Okay. There are no there are no users yet. Okay. So yeah, there's one viewer added. Uh, let's wait for a few more viewers. So yeah, so we have registered our company on May 13th. So we planned it from 3 to 4 years, and yeah, finally we registered this May 13th. So we are here with a device now, without any product. It is not a good idea to start a company, right? So we waited for few days, and I mean almost like a few months. We were developing it from almost 6 months or 1 year. So now the product is completed, and actually it's completed 2 months back itself, but we were waiting to make some more automatic stuff in that. So we did almost most of the things automatic in that. It's kind of you might be knowing that smart switches, right? It's kind of smart switch, but there will be huge difference in that. So today we are going to explain like what's the differences from smart switches. So there are so many differences when it compared to smart switches. It is not kind of smart switches like smart switches. You might be knowing that in the market, it will be cost around 3,000 to 4,000 rupees. But our device, it will cost more than it's approximately around 400 rupees or 500 rupees max to max. So that is just a brief actually. There are a lot of things to explain, like technical stuff and other things, like how we started the company. Like it is kind of like a low cost model company. We are not investing anything on this because we both are developers here, and we have few more people working in our company. Like they are not employees, but they are friends, and they would like to help us. So that way we are developing it. The thing is, we can develop a product, but we cannot market it, right? Like, because we are not into marketing, right? So so we all in a group, we made a product ready, and it is ready to launch now, and we are looking for the investors. Because as I am not aware that you people are know or don't know about it. Uh, we have the prototype ready, but the thing is, to order it, we need to have some bulk. We should make some bulk orders. Actually, we should import it from China. Actually, China is cheaper, so when it compared to Indian manufacturers. So, like, suppose, let's say, if you open a radio or some other any electronic device, you can see some green color board, right? Like, that's called PCB. So like that, like we have our setup ready, prototype ready, and we have circuit design also ready. Like, we have to order those PCB from manufacturers. So that costs around 35 rupees or 40 rupees. It's based on the quality. So that order we cannot make it individual. Like, we have to order bulk only, 15 20 devices or 50 PCBs in a bulk. So that order, as I told, it is a zero cost company, right? That means, we are not going to invest it. Like, we are finding for the investors, and those investors, if they order it, suppose, yeah, let's say, if they need some 50 devices or 100 devices, they will give some advance amount as a security deposit, so that we can order PCB and we can solder it, and then we can give them. We are not coming directly to the market, like we are not giving the products directly to the people, because we are not into marketing, as I told, right? So
So yeah, we'll just mm, deliver the product and we'll devise the we'll code the device. So our what we will basically do is the fill the software of the home automation, right?
yeah.
Yeah. We are looking for investors. Yeah. We are going to launch our product on August 15th. So this is just a pre-launch event, and we are waiting for the people to join. If some questions may arise, you are free to ask them, right, Praveen?
Yeah.
We'll answer those.
If you have any doubts on, regarding the device, or anything you would like to invest and you would like to part of Techios, if you have any questions, so that you can ask in the comment section, so that we both can answer here.
Yeah.
Feel free to raise your question. Actually, the thing is, as I said in the beginning, like everybody know that these smart technologies, they are mostly used by rich people. So it is not kind of like that. Like anybody can use the technology, right? So we targeted the middle class families and small homes, actually, so that they can invest easily 400 to 500 rupees, right? They can invest 400 to 500 rupees, and they can automate all the stuff, all the devices which are connected to our device, like fan, TV, and so many stuff, so that they can handle it from their mobile. So wherever they go from home, they can automate it, they can handle those devices by just investing the 400 or 500 rupees, right? So so that we can launch into the huge market, and we can reach out to each and everybody. Almost most of the middle class families can adopt it to their homes without changing anything. Like just they can buy our device, and they can adopt it in their switchboards. What they have to do is just behind the switchboards, they have to integrate our device, and they can start checking it, like using the mobile. They can log into our website, and they can give their username and passwords as usual, like as you use Facebook or WhatsApp, right? So like that, you have to log in, and then there will be direct switches. You can switch on and switch off at any point of time, wherever you go out of money, out of home. So there are a lot more features in it, like we created it like a backbone. That means I'm just giving an example for home, actually. This can be used in various platforms, like for industries, for companies, small companies, or like hospitals and lodges, hotels, anywhere, wherever they want to automate it, they can use it there. So so that it will be very cheaper compared to other smart switches. You no need to do any major changes to your home. So for the existing homes, you can adopt it there.
So our main motto is the technology what we are having should reach affordable prices for the population, that is our middle class. So even they also we thought they also should be right. They have a right to use the technology, right? So it should be at affordable prices. We are trying to do that, but at, by providing these devices. Yeah, it will be very helpful for small scale industries also, right.
Yeah. So let's say small hospitals or any companies are there. So let's say like some hospitals, even small hospitals will be having some 10 to 15 rooms. So they don't want to monitor each and every bulb, whether it is on or off, right? They can manually, they can't go and switch on or switch off their bulbs, right? Sometimes they can forget it, so that till they come back, it will be keep on running, so that the cost will be more, like, I mean, the electricity bill will come more. So these are the drawbacks will be there. So if they adopt our devices in their hospitals, so what happens, they can directly monitor in their mobile itself, so they can switch on and switch off whenever they want, wherever they want. They can monitor it, they can schedule it, anything whatever they want, they can do it here. Actually, in our first version, we are giving only switch on and switch off features. In the next versions, we are going to provide a scheduling feature also in the same cost. We are not going to increase the cost at any moment.
Yeah, it will be very well helpful. As we can see nowadays, many people will be in the uh, passing time in mobile itself. Some may be outside, or some may be in the home itself. So see, if I am sitting there and in that room the fan is going, but I don't know and switch off the fan, right? Because I'm talking to you right now, right? So in this situation and in some situations like this, we can operate at any devices from wherever you sit. So it will make a life easier at affordable prices. And yeah, it will be more. It will give more security and the upcoming upgrades, right? We are going to develop some security solutions also for that at minimal prices. Yeah, this is our these our all products will be at affordable prices, right?
Yeah.
So that is our main.
Actually, there are so many smart features and smart features available. Can you demonstrate the product? Yeah, sure, sir. Tomorrow we are going to demonstrate it. Tomorrow it will be the grand release. I mean, sorry, August 15th will be the grand release. So we are going to demonstrate on that day itself. So please wait for that day. I would request, because it is just an pre-launch event, as I mentioned in the subject line. So if any tech enthusiasts are there, or any investors are there, so we would like to give just a description about our device. So what it actually do, and why we developed it, and what's our main motto and concern. So that's why we have created this event. So we are going to definitely we have created already another event to launch and demonstrate for on August 15th. So please, I would like to request you to follow that event so that we can demonstrate this, sir.
Yes, sir. We have the prototype ready, but we are going to launch it on 15th. Yeah. So if we are getting some questions also, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So if you have any questions, please feel free to ask.
So actually, the thing is, we can demonstrate today itself, but there will be nothing like like it will not be much reality touch, right? So directly we are going to the live location, and we are installing there. Like we are going to a village, and I mean, it's my native, in fact. So I am going there and installing it there itself, and I'm making it to use it by some villager actually, so that we are making it sure that anybody can use our technology. I mean, technology is for everyone, right? So our main motto is that one, so that even the investors can aram say they can invest, like they can bring it to the larger amount of people, right? So aram say they can invest on it, so that we are making them sure that whatever the money they invest, they will get it back for sure, because it is going to be a competitor for big brands actually. Because even we have gone through all the products which are available on Amazon or Flipkarts. So those smart products are like cost around minimum to 2000 rupees. So that's too much costlier, and those things will be having other features like voice control and other features. But in India, as you all know, like in our mobile itself, Google Assistant is there, right? So we are not using it at all. Pradeep Osmani is asking how much cost. Yeah, it approximately it costs around 400 to 500 rupees, maximum 500 rupees, Pradeep. So Yeah, so the cost will be means those things, those features we are not using at all because that features like voice command features doesn't work in India. Why? Because always there will be some noise in India, right? So even though in your mobile Google Assistant is there, you can try with the voice command. It doesn't work. Why? Because of noise, right? It doesn't read the command properly. So we are just paying for that. Not we are not using that feature, but still we are going to pay for those devices with a higher price. So that's not necessary, right? So we are not adding those unnecessary things. So we are just keeping the basic controls, and we are making it available for all the people. I hope you got my point, right? Please do ask us if you have any queries.
The main motto is our product should be affordable to anyone, even on villages also. They should be able to use, right? The technology is for all. So yeah, we are trying to implement that.
So actually, we are looking for the investors, but let's say like if we didn't get any investors at that moment, definitely we will come directly to the market, and we will be directly distributing the devices. Like we will be investing some basic amount, and we will start giving marketing for that. So definitely that time we will try to reach the people. Yeah, that's the second option actually. First option is we are looking for the investor because it will be good if we get some investors so that we can concentrate on developments because we have so many other ideas on top of it. So that we wanted to do all those things. So we wanted to concentrate on development, not on the marketing. So if any investors are there and if you know any investors, please let them know, and it will be good. Like as I said, like we can reach to the bigger market, right? So in India, as you know, there are so many middle class families, so that you can reach out there, and yeah, so definitely it's a buyback guarantee that you will get your money back because it's a competitor for the big brands, right?
Yeah, yeah, it really is, Praveen.
Yeah.
Yeah, even a smart bulb cost around 600 for only one bulb. But at here in our model, we can control the first thing we are doing is we can control only 4 devices. That is up to user requirement. If they can ask for more, they can, right?
Yeah, we
And
can operate it. Pradeep Osmani is asking, can we operate it with mobile or laptop? Yeah, we can operate it with mobile as well as laptop. As of now, we haven't developed a mobile application, but web application it is supporting for the mobile as well. But very soon we are developing mobile application
yeah,
also.
in the upcoming events, we will also be developing the application for mobile also.
So the next things is like as I told, it is like a kind of backbone version. I mean, on top of it, we have so many other ideas, kind of like smart security kind of things. Like instead of CCTV camera, we can use other devices like infrared or any other kind of sensors, so that whenever somebody opens the door, it will give you an alert like somebody opened the door, or somebody when somebody is walking around there, so that it will notify you. So like that, we have ideas, so it will come very soon. But first thing is like we are concentrating on this product. So we are targeting like 1 or 2 months for this one. If we get any orders by customers, so it will be useful for developing the other product, other devices. Suppose if we didn't get anybody, so that that time we can concentrate on marketing. So that time definitely we will directly sell it to the people. So yeah, these are the things mainly. And the thing is like also we are looking for the investors, and as well as if anybody would like to if you know any other investors, you can introduce us so that we are not going to keep anything, like we can have a share for that. Like suppose if you give some investors, so how much they are trying to invest or how much they are trying to buy the device, some amount of percentage we can give it to you as well.
No, Praveen, some may ask, what can I do with your devices? I don't know anything about technology. So how can I operate in
Yeah,
mobile?
yeah. For that, we are for that reason only we are giving the demonstration, right?
Yeah.
So on the demonstration day, like we can directly demonstrate, and we can make everyone sure that anybody can use it. So yeah, because of that only we have developed a very simple user interface so that anybody can understand those features. Like there's nothing tough in that. Just by seeing it, you can identify what you can do and how you can operate it.
Yeah, we have built a user-friendly interface for people, even they can understand it easily.
We have all the services and products logged in our official website. Please log into www.techuse.com so that you can see our products there. And in that products also, like we have mentioned what are the products we have given, and what are the features in are there in that. So we have mentioned everything there. Please log into techuse.com and do a visit. And if you like our products, please let us know. Or if anybody wanted to invest in our product, please let others also know. Because technology is not for only rich people, right? Like we should we should try to make it to reach everyone, right? Because it's going to be a digital India. So in that case, like if only the big homes are having the smart features, that doesn't make sense, right? Almost every home should have smart features. That's our motto. We are targeting like in 1 or 2 years, we are planning to almost reach some at least 50% of homes in Karnataka, at least.
Yeah. Okay, Praveen, some may ask, okay, I will install your device in my home. So what are the advantages of it?
Yeah, the advantages will be like as I already said, like suppose if you forget to turn off some light or turn off TV, and you went outside, so that you can switch it on from anywhere. You can switch it off from anywhere.
Yeah, one thing for sure though, right? When it is raining and I am outside, so I kept my laptop charging on. So I want to switch off the laptop, but I'm not in the home. Nah. I'm outside.
No, no. Website is hosted already, right? So
Yeah.
from mobile itself, they can visit our website, and they can log in using their credentials, and they can switch off from there itself.
Okay, so what you are saying is that they can probably save the busting of the laptop by overcharging.
Yes.
So
Yeah.
yeah, it will be a good thing, right?
Yeah. It will
Yeah,
be.
it will be a good thing in rainy season and
Yeah.
thunderstorms.
Because let's say you put for charge, as Manju said that you kept for charging your laptop, and you went to your school or
Anywhere outside, you
anywhere
are
outside
outside.
office or anywhere. So
Suddenly it
suppose
starts raining.
if it is raining, so it is not fair to connect to the socket, right? So you should switch it off, right? So that time you can use our device, and you can switch it off from anywhere.
Anywhere from the world, you can operate from your mobile. Yeah, so these are the advantages of our. There are many
And
advantages also.
by just buying some our device, just it's cost around 400 to 500 rupees, right? You can proudly you can say anybody that your home is a smart home, because you are going to operate everything remotely, right?
Yeah, and we are going to give many update guys in the same product. So this is our first version we are releasing
Yeah,
on August 15th. So there will be many updates in the oncoming months, right?
yeah. In the next versions, we are going to give so many features for that. So definitely, it will be a huge benefit for the people who are going to use it.
We are having some amazing ideas, guys, for the same device that we are going to add for the same the same cost also, right?
Yeah.
Those are just like add-ons, this you have to buy one. If you okay, you will get to know the device once once we launch. It is very useful, as we can connect every device at the home, operate within the touch of your finger from the mobile itself, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that will save many things: electricity, time consumption, and easy. We can sit it from we can do it from anywhere, right? You do not need to get up and go switch off and come and sleep. Sometimes it will be like that, nah.
Yeah.
I so wanted to turn off the fan morning, but I couldn't
Yeah,
wake up.
that happens.
Yeah.
Sometimes what you will do, like you will forget to switch off the bulb and you will sleep, right? So till the morning it will be keep on running, and so
Yeah.
for that you will get electricity bill, and then after the month end you will get electricity bill, and you will see that, oh, why I got this much electricity bill. So those things and all you can avoid it. Even you can schedule it also in the next versions. We are going to scheduling option as well. I mean, in the next version means it won't be too far. It will be like around 15 days or one for a month. So yeah, these are the things, guys. Please follow our second event as well. That is on August 15th. I think around 6 o'clock, something like that, 6:30, like that. I have scheduled it. Please follow that event and don't forget to attend the live demo so that you will understand that how we are going to use it and how you can use it and how what will be the benefit if you invest on it. So there will be so many things because we are going to install it for a middle class family.
So yeah, guys, if you are looking for investing or if you want to know something more about our device and our company, please feel free to email us or please feel free to um, leave comments. We'll
Yeah.
answer them in the next event.
Yeah, also yeah, you will get the latest updates of our products and the developments in our official website. Please do keep on visiting our website. So we have many other services as well, because I'm just mentioning it's for the for the homes, right? So it's not only for the homes actually. As I said, you can adopt this for any industries as well. Because it is just it's like a bare bone. You can use it with any other electrical devices. So you can automate anything. Suppose let's say motor pumps. Some motor pumps is installed in your any other area, so that you can switch it off from the from remotely, right? From your home itself you can switch it off, right? Then there will be so many other stuff as well for industries. So we are going to give it for industries as well. And if you people wanted to invest, and if you know any industrialists, so please let us know or just inform them and ask them to invest on us. So definitely it will be a buyback, because it is a utter lower cost actually. You can imagine with 400 or 500 rupees you can automate up to four devices. Means you just can you can imagine it. So how it will be.
Yeah, and it will be very simple, guys. Very simple. Yeah.
Because 400 to 500 rupees you will spend wherever, right? Suppose if you just as in the market, if you go for buying a smart bulb, it costs around 250 to 300 rupees for one bulb, right? So if you are buying our product, so you can manage up to four devices with 400 rupees,
Yeah,
which is better. Just imagine.
you can make the old devices smarter. You
Yeah.
can take the normal bulb and make it smart through our device.
So yeah, these are the things about our product, guys. And it is a startup company. Of course, I'm not saying we are a big company. It's a smarter, it's a startup company, and you can trust us because we came up with a proper plan and we are implementing it in a proper way. And we are not going to waste our time and money and your money, right? So it will be definitely a buyback, because we were planning since from 4 to 5 years to register our company, because we don't want to go for a lose, right? Almost most of the companies startups will be closed within 1 year or 2 years, right? We all know about it. So that's why we took time, and we came up with a plan, and we were waiting to complete a product. And once the product is ready, we just wanted to come to the market. So now the product is ready, it's time to launch, and we are here now.
Yeah, guys, we have developed it very patiently. Yeah, we have been developing it for past 4 years, right? We have been thinking of releasing.
Yeah, because we were also analyzing the other products as well in the market. So we were thinking why they are costing more, and where we can save that cost. So like that we were thinking. So we tried to cut off all those things, and we kept the minimal options, and with a minimal price, how possibly we can provide it to the people. So like that we thought, and we completed it, and we did it.
Yeah.
Yeah, so these are the things, guys. So it's been half an hour now. Please let us know if you have any queries, so we can answer right now. If you don't have any queries, let's finish the live event now. And please, let's join again on August 15th. Just remember it, August 15th. I have created an event already. Please follow that, and let's go for live on that day, live demo with a smartphone.
Okay, guys, we are launching our product on August 15th. Please keep up with the updates. If you have any more questions, please feel free to leave the comments. In the comment section, we will answer in the upcoming events. So yeah, is that
That's
okay?
finished.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Thanks for your time, and thanks for the questions. It was a nice event. Uh, let's hope for the best. See you, guys. See you on
Guys.
August 15th. Happy Independence Day in advance.
Yeah, happy Independence Day.
Bye bye, guys. See you. I hope
Bye.
you all got what we are trying to convey. Let's hope for the best. Like our main thing is we should grow together. So that's our motto actually. As I said, we have 5 to 6 people. So we are all working together. We just wanted to grow together. There is no single person he can earn more, and he only can improve. There's no concept like that. We form a team, and we are a team since from 4 to 5 years, and we just wanted to continue with that only.
Yeah, the technology should reach rural areas also, right? So yeah, we are giving people that we are giving people the amazing technology.
Okay, guys. Then I hope you all got our points. Please do visit our website www.techios.com, and please leave if you have any queries. Feel free to reach us through our email ID, which we have provided in our official website, and you can message through Facebook also, and you can comment here in the event itself. Yeah, that's all for the today's event, guys. Okay, let's end up the live. Okay, guys. Yeah.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you, guys. Thanks for your time. Have a good day. Good night. Bye bye.
Bye bye.